In today's video, I'm going to show you Alto TS18S Subwoofer review. Alto lists it as an 1/8-inch powered subwoofer with 2500 watts peak power, a 3-inch voice coil, Class D amplifier, selectable EQ modes, phase alignment, and up to 137 decibels max SPL. Basically, it's trying to bring nightclub stomach rumble energy without making your bank account file a police report.
Okay.
The spec sheet is strong for the price. You get 35 Hz to 100 Hz frequency response, XLR combo inputs, XLR outputs, clip and thermal protection, an internally braced MDF cabinet, and a 9 3-pound body. Customer reviews are mostly positive. Sweetwater lists the TS18S at 5 out of 5 from 15 customers, with buyers praising the value, punch, and power. Zsound's reviewers also praise the low end, with one verified buyer saying a pair handled an outdoor party of about 250 guests for 6 hours without clipping. But Reddit is where the bass gets judged with no mercy. Some mobile DJs say it is impressive for the price, not muddy, and manageable, despite being big. Others call Alto mid, say premium JBL or Yamaha subs perform better, and warn that budget gear may not last as long. So, the TS18S is giving great value, not I just defeated physics and QSC cried. Final verdict, the Alto TS18S is a strong budget 1/8-inch sub. For mobile DJs, small events, bars, churches, and parties where you want serious bass without premium brand pricing. But if you're doing big outdoor EDM events or demanding pro touring work, don't expect one budget sub to punch like a $3,000 monster.
Oh!
For the money, it hits hard. Just bring help to lift it, and don't let the 2500 watt number hypnotize you. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.